Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hello everybody, I just want to upload this video again with Zontes 350 just to show you. It's in Chinese subtitles, this one I haven't got in English at the moment. And if you want to skip to halfway through the video, you'll see the front fork stanchions. The Zontes 350E is like a motorbike in respect it has full front fork leg stanchions at the front. It's unique. All scooters generally have like half stanchions at the front, the legs. They only come down half, so this gives you better stability. It's like a motorbike. And if you go to about halfway through the video, you'll see the front stanchion legs. This is how to get to them and take them out, your front forks on the front of the bike. It's quite a complex procedure on a scooter because you've got all the fairings, etc. in the way, not like a motorbike. But like I say, very unique. It's the only one I know of, that a scooter that has full front fork legs. So yes, this is more an in-depth procedure to get the full front fork legs out and the front wheel out. Because like I say, of all the fairings, etc. But I'll get you an English version eventually, but unfortunately at the moment there's just a Chinese version, but it's worth watching just to see the progress they make throughout taking things off to get to the actual fork legs. Man Mick, I'll let you watch the video now. I'm going to sign off. Please like and subscribe. There's over 1,700 videos in the watch list. Each videos are in French, Spanish, Arabic, English, and Chinese. Yeah, I think I got them all there. And also on the 125 Zontes models, the 150cc, the 200cc, the 310 range of Zontes models, and the 350 range of Zontes models. This is Man Mick. I'm going to sign off. I'll speak to you all later.